Hello everyone and welcome to another video.
Before we ruin them. 22 minutes. We've got steam coming out there.
Is this a video game or real life?
He's quick.
Oh, he's wicked. He's blowing. I race him, Joe, race him.
Oh, wir dürfen uns überall auch.
This poor girl was never taught how to ride a bike, so she had to try and teach herself. These street drifters love to get up close and personal. This is what it sounds like to be at the very front next to NASCAR racers. These urban downhill races are next level. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.